Hey guys, it's Christina. On this channel, we're all about starting and scaling side hustles because who doesn't need extra money in this economy? So in today's video, we're diving into 5 beginner-friendly weekend side hustles that you can start with little to no money. These are perfect if you work full-time, you're in school, or you just don't have a lot of time, or just want something flexible that doesn't take over your life. Okay, let's jump in. So the very first side hustle idea is perfect if you are creative or love building something aesthetic, and I'm talking about pop-up event services. Now, I'm not talking about huge conventions or weddings. I'm talking about something like little aesthetic picnics, proposal setups, or things like themed girl brunches. You don't need to be a professional event planner, you just need to have an eye for design and a few reusable items. You can start by creating one picnic set. So for example, you just need a blanket, a basket, tableware, fairy lights, a cute sign, some cute tablecloth, and you can set those up for birthdays, romantic picnics, anniversaries, and little events like that. Now, in terms of the earning potential, people are willing to pay anywhere between $150 to over $600 for these experiences. And since most events happen on weekends, this is a perfect weekend side hustle that can even become a full-blown business. So my friends and I have actually done a picnic like that for one of my friends' bachelorette weekends, and it was a very cute setup on the beach. It was a perfect setup and just made a simple day on the beach feel so much more special and aesthetic. Now, you can start small by even throwing those little picnics events for you and your friends or your family. You can then take photos and start advertising your services in local Facebook groups, Instagram, and even post it in different bachelorette groups. Once you get your first booking, you will be surprised how quickly the word spreads. Okay, so maybe decorating and dealing with a lot of physical items isn't really your thing. Let's move on to the next side hustle that's all about creativity behind a camera. Here's an idea that's perfect if you love social media, but maybe don't really want to build a brand or create content around yourself or your life. You can become a local content creator for different local businesses. Now, small businesses like coffee shops, bookstores, salons, or even real estate agents always need photos, videos, and all kinds of content for Instagram, TikTok, or wherever they tend to advertise their business. However, it's not uncommon for a lot of those business owners to not have the right skills or knowledge to run their own social media. And that's where you come in. You can offer to shoot a few photos or reels over the weekend and charge anywhere between a couple of hundred to sometimes over $1,000 for a content package. Now, oftentimes you don't need fancy gear, especially if you're creating content for social media, because nowadays people just love more raw and authentic content that can be shot from your phone. Combine that with good lighting and maybe some light editing and fun captions, and that's really all you need to start. Now, here's a pro tip. I recommend offering something like a weekend content package. So for example, start offering something like 5 short videos and 10 photos for a set price. You can easily shoot and edit that in one day, and that will make the payment process way easier for you and the client. Once a couple of business owners see what you can do, the referrals will roll in pretty quickly. And obviously, you can also always advertise your services on social media, in which case, make sure to use hashtags that put you in a specific location. So for example, a Las Vegas content creator, or I don't know, Brooklyn photographer. That way, local businesses can easily find you. Now, if you're planning on starting a side hustle or a business in 2026, a very important thing I recommend investing into is your own website domain. In 2026, having your own website isn't optional. It's your storefront, it's your portfolio, your booking system, and your credibility all in one. And that's why choosing the right domain with the right name matters. Now, I recommend the .online domains because it tells people exactly what you are, an online business. Whether you're launching a service, a personal brand, an AI tool, an e-commerce business, or even a local business, having a website that sounds something like yourbusiness.online instantly makes sense. Now, this isn't just a trend or a shortcut. .online is one of the most trusted domains in the world, with over 3.5 businesses using this domain globally, from creators and educators to retail brands and tech platforms. It's versatile, future-proof, and it gives new entrepreneurs a clean, professional starting point, especially when the name you want in .com is already taken. So if starting a business is your 2026 plan, this is one of the smartest first steps you can take. And that's why I'm so glad that .online is partnering with me in this video. So if you use my link down below or just simply use code Christina, you can get your .online domain at just 99 cents for your first year. So make sure to check the description box down below and kickstart this year with your dream side hustle or business. Let's talk about side hustle idea number 3, which is mobile car wash and detailing. This one is super underrated, but super profitable. The great thing about this business is that you don't need to have a ton of equipment or a specific retail space, which also means that you don't need to have a ton of upfront investments. All you really need is basic cleaning supplies and a vehicle that can take you to your client homes. You can start offering exterior and interior cleaning and charge people anywhere between $50 to $150 per car. The great thing is that depending on the market and how far apart your clients are, you can knock out several of those jobs in one day. And once again, since most people are at home during weekends, this is a perfect side hustle to start on Saturdays and Sundays. And the best part, it's a repeat business. Once people love your service, they will book you over and over again. Another great thing is if you live in a suburban area like myself, you can literally just advertise your services by literally just being in your client's driveway, because once the neighbors see you, they might actually want to hire you as well, or your clients can refer you to their neighbors. This is also a really great active side hustle, especially if you're like me and you spend a lot of time at a desk or staring at the screen and want something that is a little bit more active and you can be out in the fresh air. This can be a really great side hustle that will be a great way to make extra income and possibly even replace your gym time. Okay, so let's shift gears. See what I did there? Okay, let's say you don't really love physical work, but you're passionate about helping and teaching others. This next side hustle could be a perfect way for you to share your knowledge, but also earn some money. And I'm talking about a weekend workshop or a class. So if you've got a specific skill such as photography, baking, a language skill, or even basic budgeting, you can host small weekend workshops from your home, a park, some public place, or even over Zoom. People love learning in a fun, casual environment, and they love all the different opportunities to meet new people. And you don't even need a huge crowd. You can start with just a couple of friends, some acquaintances, or whoever signs up on social media. You can start by charging a small fee and then go from there. So for example, you can host something like a 2-hour cookie decorating class and charge like $40 per person. You can also host like paint by numbers workshops, beginner iPhone photography, or if you are a fitness instructor, you can also host events like Pilates at the Park, which is an event that I was recently a part of. And I really liked it because a lot of times it's not even about actually learning a skill, it's just having a fun event where you can build a community and make new friends. And I think that's the great part about this side hustle, is because you're not just earning money, but you are building your own community and allowing other people to be a part of a community. Now, to get started, all you really need is maybe create some flyers using Canva, or start advertising in local Facebook groups, your own personal social media, or you can also host a lot of those experiences on platforms like Airbnb experiences. And finally, if you want something that's almost too easy to start, this last weekend side hustle idea might be the perfect one for you. And I'm talking about renting out the stuff that you already have. Okay, so if you have a lot of extra stuff lying around, like, I don't know, any sports equipment, camera gear, party supplies, or even your car, you can make money by renting out your stuff on platforms like Fat Llama, Turo if you have a car, or Neighbor.com. This one is one of the easiest weekend side hustles because you honestly don't even need to do much. You just need to list the stuff that you already have. All you need to do is take some photos, list your items, and earn money whenever someone rents your stuff. I think this is also a very sustainable side hustle, so that way we can all reuse existing items instead of going to a store and buying more, which is not really good for the environment. And depending on what you're renting out, you can easily make a few $100s in the weekend. So for example, rent a camera for a day. For example, you can rent out your camera for like $40 a day, your car for $60 to $100 a day, multiply it by 2, Saturday and Sunday. Once again, that's easy, a few extra $100s that you can make with stuff that you already have. Now, those are the 5 easy weekend side hustles that almost anyone can start. You don't need a degree, you don't need a business, no huge upfront investments, and you don't even need a lot of extra time to do so. And you also don't even need to invest a lot of extra time for all of this. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!